You okay, buddy? I don't know if that was long enough. Is that it?